Yes.
Ma'am, now I'm doing the fourth one.
Okay. Okay. Are you all doing the fourth one? Who's doing fifth one? Anybody doing? No. Everybody doing fourth? Question number 4. Majority, most of them have got the answer. This is how you prepare. It is profit and loss appropriation. Profit and loss. Okay. Final answer is 42,400. We'll share it among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Now, those who have completed question number 5, give me the answer in the chat box. After that, I'll discuss the answer. In which ratio do they share the profits? Shubham, in the question, what is that? It is in which ratio? Fifth one, I'm talking about the question 5.
Ma'am, based on their capital.
Yeah. So what is the ratio?
2:3.
Very good. Fine. Only Karthik have sent me the answer of fifth one. Yes, Tomlin, right. Yes. Yes, Sahana, right. Sharath, keep the video on and do the problem. Karthik, did you finish 6?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You started with 6, no?
Yes, ma'am. Just started.
Okay, okay. Nobody else got question number 5? P&L appropriation? Yes, Irfan, did you get the answer? Hmm. Yes, correct. Anila, correct. Yes. Look onto the screen, everyone. Yes, Irfan, right. This accountancy, without doing it yourself, you won't be able to understand or do it. Try to do it yourself. If you don't get it, okay, stop there and think or ask. Check the answer now. Others who haven't got it. It is profit and the profit is 23,200. Then Shiga is given salary. Per month is given, no? Make it per annum. 60,000. Okay. Interest on capital has to be given. 2 lakh and 3 lakh is the capitals. 10% is the ratio. Sorry, rate. So 20,000 and 30,000 is the IOC. And this will lead to a loss. It is not profit, it is loss. And as we know, the loss should also be shared by the partners. So it is a loss that has to be transferred to capital. And at least if you want to start with this problem, you should be aware of the format of P&L and appropriation and capital account. Without knowing the format, what are the items appearing on the credit side? What should be done on the debit side? Nothing can be done. So first, those who haven't learned, learn it. Coming to partners capital account. First, on the credit side, we show everything that result in addition of the capital, increase in the capital. Partner's salary will increase Shiga's capital. Interest on capital received. Drawings, 7,000 and 10,000 reduces the capital. It is loss. Loss will be transferred to capital. That will come in the debit side. Finish. After all, it's capital account. Opening balance should be shown. Balance both down, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. That's it. Now, those who completed sixth one, send the answer. Those who want to take down this, take it down. And again, I'm reminding on 23rd, you have an exam on this chapter. Okay? The profit and loss appropriation account, it is the actual net profit that should be shown on the credit side. But the question, the profit given to you is after deducting the salary of Azad. So to get the actual profit, what is the actual profit? We must add back the salary given to Azad. That's why we make the amount 15,000 by adding 12,500 plus 2,500. Then everything is as usual, interest on capital based on the ratio provided. Salary 2,500 should be given to Azad and manager's commission. Manager's commission, it is on the net profit that it should be given. So the net profit is 15,000. That is the original profit. 15,000 into 5 by 100. 5%. Those who have completed this, you may go for question number 7. Only profit and loss appropriation is asked to you. Here is the answer for question number 7. Question number 7. All the details are given to you in the question. How much is the capital? What should be done? All that information is clearly given. You will have doubt only regarding the commission. Right? Commission. What is that sentence regarding commission? Girish, who manages the sales department, will be allowed a commission equal to 10% of net profit after allowing Manish salary. So net profit is 40,000. How much is Manish's salary? 4,800. After providing the salary, what is the net profit? It is upon that net profit, commission has to be paid. So 40,000 minus 4,800 into 10 by 100. And others, everything is okay, no? Percentages are given, drawings. That is the only thing that will give you some confusion. So this is question number 7. In the next hour, I'll be asking you the format of capital account and P&L appropriation to everybody. Okay? Those who are not getting it will write an imposition 10 times. Okay, it's time up. Let me see the answers. Sharath, good. Okay. Karthik, it is your 8th one answer, no? 8th one answer. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay, correct answer. Right. Okay. See you in the next session.